Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to show you a brand new product that I just launched. This product has about 5 reviews, and I want to give you a little bit of insight on my strategy. A lot of people, they always look at the highest search volume term. Oh, this term has 200,000. This term has 300,000 searches a month. And that's great, especially if it's relevant to your product, but you might not deserve the spot just yet. Like, we don't deserve the spot of a 200,000 search volume term right now. Will we get there? Yes, I'm confident we will, but with time. First, I like to go after the smaller terms, and it doesn't have to be tiny. This has 11,000 search volume over here. And like you can see, 527, we were in the 96th spot. And now you can see the date over here, 610, we are in the 11th spot. So like, that's huge. From 96, and then like actually even less, we shot down to 136 for one day, and then we went to 135, and then we went to 133, and then we went to 110, then we went to 89, and like, it's improving and improving. And now today, 2 weeks later, we're in the 11th spot. So now we own this term. We're not going to lose it. We're going to get into the top 5. We're checking the PPC. You see, we're sponsoring on this term, which you don't always need to do. Sometimes it hurts it, sometimes it helps it. Right now it's helping it, so we're continuing to do it. And now we own this term. We basically own the term, you know, it jumped up 100 spots basically. So that's amazing. And that also affected all these other keywords down here. This one also has 11,000 search volume. We were in the 153rd. Now we're in the 100th spot. So we went up 50 spots with this. We're not even advertising on it. We don't need to advertise on this. This advertisement over here is boosting this up, and that's affecting this. So we can save money on the ads. Over here, this term has 5,000 search volume. And we'll look at the dates again. 527, we were in the 156th spot. Now we're in the 55th spot. And again, 610 is the date. So it's been 2 weeks, and we went up 100 points, 100 positions, which is huge. And we're not sponsoring on these. And the list goes on and on. Yeah, this term over here, 3,000 search volume. We were in the 111th spot. Now we're in the 68th spot. This term over here, it has a little negative 40. That shouldn't worry anybody. As you can see, we're in the 55th spot. When we started this 2 weeks ago, we were in the 140th spot. So we went up almost 100 spots. We actually went up higher. The reason for this negative is because 2 days ago, we hit the 13th spot, which is awesome. And we're going to keep building it up, but the fluctuations are normal. That's normal with Amazon. We're not pushing ads on this term. We're focusing on it, and we have the right intentions, and we're making sure that the first sponsored ad on the top is affecting all these terms over here. And like, you could just go down the list. This one over here, this one over here, we're in the 156, we're in the 100th. This one over here was in the 130th spot. We were in the 130th spot 2 weeks ago. Now we're in the 28th. This one is actually more impressive because we were in the 96th, and now we're in the 11th spot, and it's 11,000 search volume, but they're all helping. It's building up all these keywords that makes the biggest difference in your listing. And it's so important to track these terms, and pay-per-click will help you do this. External traffic will help you do this. But if you're not monitoring all these terms and seeing what affects what, and you know, coupon code is great, you know, a 5% off coupon badge, it's great. It sets you apart from the competition. How is it affecting? Is it making a difference? Is it not? Running a deal, a lightning deal is great. If it's converting well, of course. If it's not converting well, it's not good. But you got to see, how is it affecting these terms? And everything should keep on going up and up. Like, if it's not going up, there's something wrong. You cannot avoid this. This is like the most important thing about Amazon. I've been doing Amazon for over 10 years. This is how you build listings that are home runs, that do over $1 million a year, or even there's some listings that do over $1 million a month. You got to focus on these terms, and you got to know what you're looking at, and you got to say, okay, you got to see what affects what. If I lowered my price, did it make any impact on this at all? If it's not making an impact, what is it doing? Maybe you could even raise your price, and maybe you raising the price, it won't negatively affect these, and you're making more money now. So it's just very important, and a lot of people don't focus on this, and you guys really should. If anyone needs any help, feel free to reach out to me. I'll try to help you the best I can. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.